Hello, hello, hello. I'm Vicky Igbokwe-Ozoagu, your Lighter Leadership Coach, and welcome to the Lighter Leadership Podcast, where we explore leadership that doesn't cost you yourself. Now, a few weeks ago, I was reminded how often you and I try to solve challenges at the level they appear. Things like confidence, communication, and decision making, right? But sometimes the real issue sits somewhere else entirely. In this particular conversation, a coaching client was navigating enormous pressure professionally. Underneath all of that, something important became really clear. His foundation wasn't stable. His home life, which is meant to be a place of rest and grounding and peace, had been disrupted for years with ongoing stress and financial strain and a physical environment that never felt settled. And when you don't have a place where your nervous system can fully exhale, eventually you begin carrying everything all of the time, which means even small professional challenges start landing on an already overloaded system. And this is why pushing through only works for so long, because eventually your body, your thinking, and your emotional capacity begin even asking for something different. They start asking for things like stability, grounding, and a space even to feel safe again. So the shift in our conversation was not around speak up more and push harder or make the big decision immediately. It was actually around rebuild the foundation first, create calm, consistency, and a space that supports you instead of draining you. Because from there, clearer leadership becomes more possible. Not perfect, but grounded. And often that changes far more than forcing confidence ever could. You're human and can't lead clearly or at your best from constant instability. So, my thought for you today is this. Where in your life are you trying to push through instead of strengthening your foundation? I'm going to say it even more direct for you. Where in my life am I trying to push through instead of strengthening my foundation? I want you to repeat it that way. Take some time, make some time for yourself. You get to choose. 5 minutes is plenty to start this thinking. And if you're looking for space to think, to breathe, to reflect, or reconnect to yourself within your leadership, take a look at the show notes for the next lighter leadership reset. It's 30 minutes of protected thinking space purely for you. And remember, your leadership doesn't need to cost you yourself. Lots of love and take care.